Hello, everyone, and welcome to Frema Language. I'm very happy to have you here today. In this lesson, you'll learn 50 daily English sentences that are practical, easy to remember, and used in everyday life. Subscribe to Frema Language, like this video, comment below, share this video with your friends who are learning English. Let's get started. Let's start with the first sentence. Hello, it's a beautiful day today.
Use this to greet someone and start a conversation and positively.
Next sentence. Good afternoon. I hope your day is going well. Polite way to greet someone in the middle of the day. Moving on. Welcome. I'm glad you're here. Friendly phrase to greet someone arriving. Next one. Hi there. How's everything going? Casual way to ask about someone's day. Let's continue. Good evening. I hope you had a nice day. Polite evening greeting that shows interest. Next. Could you help me with this? Use this to ask for help in a polite way. Moving on. Thank you very much. Simple way to show appreciation. Next sentence. I really appreciate your help. Polite way to say thanks when someone assists you. Continuing. Excuse me. Say this to get someone's attention politely. Sentence 11. I usually wake up at 7 every morning. Talk about your daily routine naturally. Next. I like to drink tea before breakfast. Share a simple personal habit. Moving forward. I take a short walk after lunch. Talk about a daily activity in a natural way. Next sentence. I enjoy listening to music in the evening. Use this to describe your hobbies. Continuing. I usually go to bed around 10 o'clock. Simple way to share your bedtime habit. Sentence 16. I would like a glass of water, please. Polite way to request a drink. This bread looks fresh and delicious. Use this to describe food you see. Moving on. How much does this cost? Useful sentence when shopping. Next sentence. I'll take this one, please. Polite way to buy something. Continuing. Where is the nearest restroom? Very practical when you are outside. Sentence 21. I feel excited about the day ahead. Use this to share a positive emotion and show enthusiasm for what's coming. Next. I'm feeling a little tired after a long day. A natural way to express your energy level or mood to someone. Moving forward, I think this idea is really interesting. Use this to politely share your opinion during a conversation.
Next sentence. I'm happy with the results of my work. A positive way to express satisfaction with your own effort or achievement.
Continuing, I feel proud of what I accomplished today. Share confidence and pride in your daily tasks or progress. Sentence 26. Have a wonderful day. A friendly way to wish someone well as you leave or finish a conversation.
Next. Please enjoy your meal. Polite phrase to say before someone starts eating. Moving on. Congratulations on your success. Use this to celebrate someone's achievement in a kind and friendly way. Next sentence. I hope you feel better soon. A caring sentence to show concern when someone is unwell or tired.
Continuing, welcome to our home. A warm way to greet guests and make them feel comfortable.
Sentence 31. I need to finish this task before the end of the day. Use this to talk about responsibilities at work or school politely. Next. I will check my emails after lunch. A practical daily work sentence that shows your plan clearly.
Moving forward, please take notes carefully during the meeting. Useful when giving instructions or advice in class or at work. Next sentence. I have a meeting scheduled at 10 o'clock. Share your daily plan or work schedule in a professional way.
Continuing. I'm preparing my report for tomorrow. Explain your current task or project to someone clearly. Sentence 36. Where is the nearest bus stop? Use this to ask for directions politely when traveling in a city. Next. How far is the train station from here? A practical question when you want to know distance and travel time. Moving on. I need a taxi to go to the airport. Useful sentence for arranging transport politely. Next sentence. Can you show me the way to the park? Ask for directions politely while traveling or visiting new places. Continuing. I enjoy walking in the park in the morning. Share a simple hobby or daily activity naturally. Sentence 41. Have a safe journey home. A kind way to say goodbye and show care for someone's safety. Next. Good night. Sleep well and rest properly. A polite way to wish someone a good night's sleep. Moving forward. Take care of yourself. A friendly and caring phrase to show concern for someone's well-being. Next sentence. See you soon. Simple way to say goodbye and let someone know you hope to meet again. Continuing. Have a productive day today. Encouraging sentence to wish someone success in their daily tasks.
Sentence 46. I'll be right back in a few minutes. Common way to tell someone you are leaving temporarily and will return soon.
Next. Please wait a moment while I finish this. Polite phrase to ask someone to be patient.
Moving on. I need some help with this problem. A practical sentence to ask for assistance politely. Next sentence. That's very kind of you to help me. Use this to show appreciation when someone does something helpful for you.
And finally, I'm happy to start a new day with a positive mindset. A motivational sentence to express optimism and start the day cheerfully.